What's up, YouTube fam? Gotta excuse my yard. Been out here working. Finally got my shit set up almost like I want it. I'm gonna install my lights. Maybe tomorrow. I finally got my roof installed. Get my big dog right there. What's that, big boy? His offspring. Yeah, everybody check in. Oh yeah, I gotta put my last kennel up here. Here go my two keeper females off the last litter. They just turned 8 weeks old. Hey, Duchess. Hey, mama. That's my girl Duchess and my girl Trenches back there. And we got Fat Mama over here. Oh yeah, I got the heat going for me. It's a little chilly outside tonight. Big girl here pregnant. Yeah, ain't that right? Yeah. I'm gonna drop another litter. Man, girl, you shit like a grown man, grown woman. That shit's strong. Hey, babies. Yeah, this blue girl. Oh, let me cut my light on. Yeah, that blue girl. She was gonna be up for sale, but I think she's staying here now. I think I'm gonna keep her. I was gonna sell her, but I'm gonna keep her. That little girl there, man, she gonna throw that fire. She got about 30 more days before she dropped. I don't know, I gotta go check my calendar. She been picking, matter of fact, I think she do like the 25th of this month. She been picking up weight daily. She ain't that big, so she might not be carrying that many puppies. I ain't go take her to get a scan or nothing to see, but whatever she get, whatever she drop, I mean, I'm grateful for it. So, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, I was just showing off my pad. I gotta put my divider panel in there, and I gotta put my gate panel here, and my panel back on the back. You ate all your food. I know your big greedy ass ate all your food. That boy, that greedy. He greedy. What's up, big boy? What's up, big boy? Yeah. What's up, boy? That's my next up and coming stud right there. And this here is the father to them pups. Them two pups that was just in there. Matter of fact, the father to that pup. Them two pups that's in there. And baby girl that's pregnant. And his babies too. We're gonna let this man here get some runs next go around. What's up, big boy? Huh? Yeah. But yo, just remember, man, like, comment, subscribe. I know I've been out of touch for a minute, but I've been working and trying to come home and work on my little project. It's about 60% complete for my outside setup. Then we're going on to something else. But until next time, remember, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.